today we are going to take a close look at these three words and how they are used in the English language. A lot of people make mistakes when they write, including native English speakers. So even native English speakers get these words wrong quite often. So we have the first word, which is there, and that particular word is used as an adverb. Then we have there, same sound, different spelling, and also different meaning. This is a possessive determiner, so it talks about the possessive nature of something. If something belongs to someone, you can say it is their thing. It belongs to them. It determines the possessive clause. And finally we have there again. This also is pronounced there. It is a contraction of they are. So there are the words and the meanings. There or there or there.